Hey, Dean, I thought we were doing art. No. What? What did you say? Oh, Nanay. Is that your art? Orange. Where's the purple? Yeah, orange. That's pretty. Oh, now you're on Nanay again? Yeah, you found the yoga mat when we were doing art. Art and yoga. You're well-rounded. Yeah, a little messy. We'll clean it later. You wanna shake the balls? Yeah, shake them. Oh dear.